guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing fine. As for me, I'm doing okay. So on today's video, I'll be showing you guys, taking you guys through the process of making this Nigeria party jollof rice that I made for an occasion. I made it last month. Yeah, so this person contacted me if I will be able to make jollof rice for 50 people. I said okay, I can do it. And not just jollof rice that I made that day, but unfortunately I was too busy. I couldn't film the other things that I made. I made pasta salad. I made normal salad. I made what again? Puff. I also made a corned beef that will go around for like 50 people. Yeah, so that was the things I made that day. It was a lot, and I'm doing everything alone. So I started a night before to cut down the protein, parboil it. So wash the peppers and the tomatoes I will be using. I also parboil it a night before the very day, because she told me that the things latest have to be ready latest by 4 p.m. So based on I'm alone doing everything, so I have to make some things a night before, so that the day I will be making the jollof rice, it will be easier for me. So on that day I woke up by 6 a.m. I started frying with the frying. Yeah, I fried the meat. At this place it is after 6 already. Yeah, so I started with frying the meat. After then make the jollof, then proceed to make the dough for puff, that of corned beef, and started slicing the veggies. It was a lot that day for me. It was a lot, but like I said earlier, I couldn't film it, so my phone was very close to the cooker that I was using to cook that day, and it became very hot. I almost lost my phone that day because of the heat of the fire. So I couldn't film other process of making the meal. Yes, so fortunately for me, everything came out fine. Very delicious meat, food. The jollof rice was banging. Like when I say banging, it was really banging, and everything came out perfectly. The only place there could have been mistake was the puff. I started frying it on a very high heat. Unfortunately, some of the first batch didn't cook very well on the inside. So until I noticed that, I have to reduce the cooker and also refry them again. So thank God everything went well, and they all loved it. Yeah. So guys, let me leave you people to watch the rest of the video, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you have not subscribed before, and also do where to leave me a comment on the comment section. Love you guys.